palete? Ja. Aha. New project. Guys, this is the moment now. If this machine working, I get for free and nothing. Ha! Yeah. Working. I must show you this. How you can... that's the... perfect. Probably I will wash my clothes here like this. That means 55 minutes, and there that's mean 35 liters of water. It's only 35 liter waters using this wash. Here is 30 degrees and 40 degrees Celsius. But probably I will wash with cold, only cold, because I'm not sure, because I running all this with generator. I will see if my generator can wash with 30 or 40, that will be better. And then we go here, you can see change on 55 liters of water, and here is 64 minutes. And if we go here, 53 liters, oh, this is good, and 89 minutes. And here we have 93 liters and 122 minutes, like 2 hours. Now I will stay here, somewhere here, 55 minutes with 35 liters. That will be perfect for my clothes. I cannot wash my clothes because I don't have water. I wait on rain, but it's no rain. At the moment I have most of the stuffs I have prepared. I must finish here, pipes to here. I can connect here. My wash machine will be connected like this here, and I just must turn like there. Peggy and David from Australia. Yeah, Australia. Confident actor pictures. Yes, I have some cream for my back, but I don't have arnica. I must try that one. It's a little bit okay. It's a little bit better with my back, but it's not perfect. Guys, thank you very much for this big help. Next week will start raining. That's mean I will have enough water for start washing my clothes with wash machine. That will be big success. Misha, go. That will be, yeah. And I get pallet wood. That's mean came new project. I will build here outside shed from pallet wood. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in next one. Yoo-hoo! And if you're new here, don't forget subscribe, because new project coming will be big one, pallet wood shed. Yoo-hoo!